Did you?
And then the app. But see, there's an emblem that goes on my applets. There's some kind of confusion there.
I brought some paper towels and Windex. We can clean the windows later.
Okay. And then, I don't know. I'm invited to that dance out there, and I always get kind of shy on the dance because who's going to pick me? But you know,
I was looking through some pictures the other day, and when you first brought your Mark 7 out here.
boy, she said exactly what she thought. Well, I can't help it. I'm like that too. You don't like that? That's too bad. Smell or
Do this.
like that.
Go, Kevin. Go like this. Go. Yeah.
headache.
That's from now when she points the camera. We
I
have
got a
to make
little
that
bit
face.
of a headache.
Yeah, it's been going around in my eye sockets, and I didn't sleep all that good last night. Well, I was down on the computer putting those photos on there, and I had the two other dogs.
I brought my garage door controls and the gate and everything.
Okay. It's got a lot of zip.
Battleships and all kinds of stuff. And then the leaders in World War II, Eisenhower, Winston Churchill, and then the bad guys, Ito and Mussolini.
Jack took me over there the other day. They got a nice Buick.
Really?
I got the house that Jack built.
It's about a 90.
Can we go across the lake too?
Whatever he wants to do.
Through the woods to grandmother's house?
Well,
Now that's something I told Dad. That has got to be the most beautiful bush and tree ever when springtime comes. That fuchsia
which tree?
pink.
I know.
That right there?
Pink.
Oh, isn't
Oh,
that
yeah.
Magenta.
It's
You know,
all
what do they
over
call
the sides
that?
of the highway.
Yeah, it's all over here. What
Oh,
is
it's
that?
Gorgeous.
That's called
It's not chrysanthemum.
No,
what is that?
it's I don't know what it is.
You know,
It
somebody
is
just told me
beautiful.
what that was.
Fuchsia.
It is beautiful. I know, and it's perfect with
It's a
those
dagwood.
the brand new,
And that bright yellow.
that greeny, that little pale spring green with that purpley.
And you know how you do
Gorgeous.
it?
Well,
People run like tired lemmings headed for the sea. Borders of imagination keeping them from seeing things. Ancient gods and graying fortresses of old ideas. Standing guard on treasures that has
Yeah.
long since
Look at the
disappeared from
dumpsters,
use.
Dad.
I know.
We have got to find something better. People, we got to find something better. People run like giant lemmings, they don't see the sun. Shadow pictures drive them on and keep them on the run. Knights in blazing armor stand upon a nearby hill. Shafts of gleaming light held high and no one sees them still. We have got to find something better. People, we got to find something better.
It's the saint for impossible situations.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Does he go by any other names?
Some probably gave money and. My sixth grade school teacher lived in that house, Mrs. Wise. I wonder if she still lives there.
I don't think so.
I'm sure they're gone now. Those people next door to her had that huge Saint Bernard that scared me. Brandy was his name. Brandy the Saint Bernard.
Up here?
No, they lived in that house. Remember, he rescued me from that killer dog.
Long ago and far away, the words ring like a bell. Stories, poems, books and songs have used those words and use them still. Long ago and far away is where most of us dwell. Time has chased us all away and left today under its spell. Ah, we have got to find something better. Ah, people, we got to find something better.
Cost you $100 to fill the tank right now. Craigslist. It's like a free eBay. I can.
Then you might want to keep
But
asking
I mean,
more.
right, I could. I could. Let's do for sale. Look, that's a nice house too.
A lot of people are out there.
Oh my God, yeah, it's a place for junk. There are a lot of people with junk.
Here's what you should do. Go around the
No, let's just go on home.
Oh yeah, we'll go by Grandma.
God.
Mom, she always, every time, if I look like I was going to miss, she says, go by.
I hate going by that. I mean, it's just so depressing. That's okay, we'll go by it. There's just no purpose.
And I'll show you where,
No, there's a purpose to go home. There's a
I'll show
purpose.
Donna where Jack Lindsay is.
Oh, that's his friend that took him to his duck swimming.
And how'd that go? I'm not just one of them.
Oh, I think most of my problem is mental and emotional. But I did.
Well, are you still eating a lot? I mean, I should have brought you some food.
I'm back on eating. No, that's all right. We'll get plenty from. I told Kevin, if you want to, twice a week, we'll go by Ryan's and pick us up something and bring it home.
Because you know what? I can actually have Oh my God, it still says Nora Derrick. How weird.
Magnolia tree, that's growing.
That's her magnolia. What does he do then about the car? I mean, what's going on?
Puts in a garage.